In this video, we will demonstrate how to upload contacts into Engage. Our contacts can be considered the source of our business. Engage allows us to store our contacts, access and update our contacts, as well as communicate with our contacts through email and the use of campaigns. The source of our contacts may be our phone, Google Contacts, Outlook, some old files, or even old transactions. No matter where our contacts are currently being stored, the means to get them into Engage is through the use of a specific Excel spreadsheet. So let's start with the Excel spreadsheet. This is an example. The example we're using here only has one contact, and I've highlighted those fields that are most common. Each contact should have a first name and last name in separate fields. The same holds true for the property address. You should have a column for your home street. That would be the number and the name of the street, the home city, the home state, and the home postal code or zip code. We also have columns for phone numbers and email addresses. It is critical to not change the names of the headers. These are specific for Engage. Engage is looking for these headers, and if it doesn't find them, you could lose your data. So don't mess with them. There is no limit to the number of contacts you can put on a spreadsheet. It kind of goes on forever. So, once we have our spreadsheet loaded with our contact names from whatever the source, we should save it somewhere where we can locate it on our computer, but it needs to be saved as a CSV file. Excel spreadsheets can be saved in many different formats, but we must save it as a CSV. That's a comma delimited file. Just hit the save button and it will save it. So, the next step is to go into Engage. You start by going to Gohana. Once Gohana opens, we click on Engage in the top toolbar. Then we're going to go to People and My People. Once that opens, we're going to go to the gear right up here underneath your photo. We click on the gear. We click on Import Outlook CSV. This window appears, and we're going to select our file. Our file is actually saved right on my desktop, so I can scroll down, and it's right here, George Washington test file. Highlight the file name, click Open, and it immediately starts to import into Engage. You can watch the percentage meter. We only have one contact in this example, but you can have as many as you want. Tells me that the import has finished. We just click Got It, and here's George. You can now open up your contact and start communicating with folks and so forth. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks.